What if everything we thought about diabetes was only half the truth? Because shocking new research reveals that your brain, not just your pancreas, may actually control your blood sugar, and when the brain's insulin signals go out of sync, no diet or medication can fully fix the problem. We've been told type 2 diabetes is caused by too much sugar, poor diet, or lack of exercise, but millions of people who eat well and stay active still can't control their blood sugar. So, what's really happening? The answer lies in a hidden system inside your brain. A control switch that decides how your body uses or stores glucose. Pause for a moment and watch closely. In just a few seconds, you'll see inside the diabetic brain, as its hidden energy switch flickers between use and store. Each flicker sends waves of energy flowing through the body's pathways, a powerful reminder that every choice we make begins in the brain. Watch now. As you've just seen, deep inside your hypothalamus, a tiny yet powerful region of the brain, specialized neurons constantly monitor glucose levels. They act like energy traffic controllers, deciding when to store fuel and when to release it. These neurons send precise signals to your liver, muscles, and fat cells, telling them when to release or store energy. But when these brain signals become insulin resistant, the entire communication line breaks. It's like your body's energy GPS suddenly losing signal. So, what's the link between brain fatigue, stress, and worsening insulin resistance? Modern life floods our brains with constant pressure, sleepless nights, and ultra-processed foods, disrupting the brain's ability to communicate with the body. This causes inflammation and brain fatigue, damaging insulin receptors right inside the hypothalamus. The result? You feel tired, crave more sugar, and your blood glucose stays high, even if you're eating healthy. If this sounds familiar, we explain how to reverse these brain-body imbalances step by step in our free guide, 5 Steps to Reverse Insulin Resistance and the Brain of a Diabetic Connecting Body, Brain, and Truth. Tap the link in the description, bio, and comments below. Once the brain loses insulin sensitivity, it sends out false hunger signals. You eat more, your body stores more fat, and the cycle repeats. Scientists call this the brain-pancreas feedback trap. It's the hidden reason why so many diabetics experience brain fog, fatigue, and frustration, despite treatments. The good news is, you can retrain your brain to respond to insulin again. Researchers have found 5 lifestyle factors that repair this connection naturally. 1. Regular sleep and consistent circadian rhythm. 2. Low glycemic whole foods that don't spike blood sugar. 3. Intermittent and gentle fasting, periods to reset insulin response. 4. Mindful stress control, even 10 minutes of calm breathing. 5. Natural nutrient support, like omega-3s and magnesium. We cover these 5 steps, and how to apply them safely, inside your free guide. 5 Steps to Reverse Insulin Resistance, and the Brain of a Diabetic Connecting Body, Brain, and Truth. Link in the bio and comments below. Let's face it, diabetes isn't just a blood sugar condition. It's a communication breakdown between your brain and body. Once you restore that connection, energy returns, cravings fade, and your numbers begin to stabilize naturally. You have the power to retrain your body from the inside out. Download your free guide, 5 Steps to Reverse Insulin Resistance and the Brain of a Diabetic Connecting Body, Brain, and Truth. Start your breakthrough today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps this message reach the silent sufferers who need it most. Every share, every like, tells the algorithm that awareness still matters. And if you're living with diabetes or supporting someone who is, remember, knowledge is power only when it's shared. Watch next, the Hidden Brain Energy Connection. Discover how your mind controls the body's fuel switch in ways most doctors never explain. Or check out our related video, How Fatigue and Stress Worsen Insulin Resistance. and learn what you can do starting today to rebuild your brain-body balance. Stay with us because each video brings you one step closer to understanding your own healing power. See you in the next one.